Imagine a day where the barnyard fence and the aquarium glass simply vanish, creating one spectacular, impossible meeting ground. Welcome to the epic animal meetup, where the familiar, friendly faces of the farm and the majestic residents of the zoo come face to face with the astonishing, otherworldly beings of the deep sea. Hamsters are small mammals that belong to the rodent family, just like mice and squirrels. That's why your hamster might be running on its wheel when everyone else is asleep. Hamsters' teeth never stop growing, so they need to chew on wood, cardboard, or special chew toys to keep them short. Hamsters are omnivores. Hammerhead shark is one of the most easily recognizable creatures in the ocean due to its unique head shape, which is called a cephalofoil. Hammerhead's head is covered in special jelly-filled pores called the ampullae of Lorenzini. Hammerhead sharks are highly social, especially during the day. Llamas are very clean animals, often using a common toilet spot in their herd area. Baby llamas are called crias. They can stand and walk within an hour after birth. Llamas are herbivores. They eat grass, hay, and other plants. Llamas can spit, but usually at each other. Wolves are highly intelligent animals that live in tight-knit family groups called packs, usually led by an alpha pair. They have strong social bonds and work together to raise pups, hunt, and protect their territory. Every wolf in the pack has a role, and their teamwork is so effective that they can communicate Hyena laughing is a real sound used for communication, not because they are happy. Hyenas are intelligent hunters, not just scavengers. They catch most of their own food. Their jaws are extremely powerful, able to crush bones easily. Hyenas can eat almost everything, including skin, hooves, and bones. Reindeer, also known as caribou in North America, are the only species of deer in which both males and females grow antlers. Their antlers can be incredibly large, sometimes reaching over 1 meter long. Reindeer use them for digging through snow to find food, showing dominance, and protecting themselves. Cheetahs mainly hunt gazelles, impalas, hares, and other small animals. They rely on speed and strategy, stalking prey before sprinting to catch it. Cheetahs live in Africa, mostly in open plains and savannas, and small populations exist in Iran. They need wide open spaces to spot and chase prey. Donkeys have large ears that can hear sounds up to 60 kilometers, 37 miles away in the desert. Their big ears also help them stay cool by releasing heat. Donkeys eat grass, hay, and shrubs, and they can survive on low-quality vegetation that other animals might reject. Donkeys are known for their strength and endurance. Moose often feed on aquatic plants. They can close their nostrils, which acts like a valve to keep water out while they graze underwater. Moose have poor eyesight and are notably nearsighted, which is part of why they can sometimes be unpredictable around humans. The blue whale is the largest animal ever to live on Earth, even bigger than the biggest dinosaurs. An adult blue whale can grow up to 100 feet, 30 meters long, and weigh around 150 to 200 tons. A blue whale's heart is as big as a small car, and its heartbeat Sharks have a remarkable ability to continuously replace their teeth throughout their lifetime. Some species can lose and regrow thousands of teeth. Sharks play a critical role as apex predators in maintaining the health of ocean ecosystems. By preying on sick, weak, or older animals, turtle is a reptile characterized by its bony or cartilaginous shell. This shell acts as a protective shield for its body. Turtles have been on Earth for an incredibly long time. They first evolved over 200 million years ago. Turtles are omnivores. What a turtle eats depends entirely on its species and habitat. Our journey begins by gathering our first guests from the sun-drenched fields and cozy barns. The dependable dairy cow, the woolly sheep, the mischievous goat, and the proud barnyard rooster all arrive, wide-eyed and ready for a journey beyond their wildest dreams.